Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Well, it's Christmas and there's no snow. Surprise. Well, at least not where I'm at. But at least there's always the kitchen. If we don't have snow outside, we can make snow inside and pretend it's Christmas inside. So, that's what I did this week. Snowman cookies. You got it. They're the best. Come watch and see how I made it. Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Alright. Who ate the snowman? Mighty fine cooking there, neighbor. I really like marshmallows. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.